Today's build is a Pikler triangle for a toddler. The plans that I used are from a butterfly house, and I'll link that below. I modified a few things. I'll call those out as we go. But these are the materials that I've prepped before assembling the triangle. So on the left we have 2-inch, or really 1.5 inch by 3 inch boards that are 37 3/4 inches long. I made those by taking 2x4s and ripping them to 3 inches wide, trying to make them a little smaller, a little closer to 2x3, but a nicer wood with the higher quality 2x4s. And then the holes on all 4 of those are spaced 4.5 inches apart, starting 2 inches from the top and going all the way down. I did it 4.5 inches, that's one of the deviations from the plans, but that makes the total distance between dowels 3.5 inches, which I found to be recommended for children's toys. And the second pair of legs there are 34 3/4 inches long. Again, same idea on how to make those, and then you round the legs. I also ran a router on all the corners just to smooth out any sharp areas. Next to those we have the 1-inch poplar dowels. Those are 48 inch cut in half, so I did 23 7/8 and then made sure that they were all the same length, just to make sure. That's the critical part, is making sure they're all the same length. Not that they're exactly 24 or 23, but make sure they're all the same length. To the right of those we have the triangles. That'll hold the top of the Pikler triangle together. On those I modified the size to fit the slightly wider boards, and those are 12 1/4 tall, and the base should be 11.5 inches. Then the screws here at the bottom on the left, there are 1.5 inch screws, wood screws. I picked some nicer ones since they'll be exposed on the outside. Then we have the star knobs and 2.5 inch screws. Those will be the part that you can take off to collapse the triangle. Then on the right are the 3 inch bolts there with the nuts and washers. So these are the parts for making the triangle, and we'll be building it shortly and assembling it. Thanks.